Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's update video for Gala, we are trading at 0.05375. 24-hour volume, we're down 10.95%. Market cap, we are up at 2.52%. So heading over to the chart here, I've actually have it as 3 days. We can see and observe the candlestick that we're currently right now. And I do want to just show you guys, if this candlestick does close in 3 days, essentially this candlestick is known as a hammer candlestick, which is a bullish reversal candlestick where the wick at the very bottom is twice the size of the actual body at the top, and the wick at the very top is either really, really small or barely anything there. So if we have a representation of this hammer candlestick and we do close like this, it is going to give us a little bit of an edge here for Gala to have a reversal at this downtrend, because we can see that the price retraced all the way down here in this area of supply. And essentially what we need to be able to see here is a few things of a MACD indicator showing us more of these bigger bars itself. If it shows us the momentum and it picks up, it's going to give us enough here to really hold this area of support. If we do see a crossover of these two lines, if we take a look at it, they are retracing closer together as the spaces in between is getting smaller. It is going to cause a central signal that the trend is soon going to be over. So if we do see these lines here or the space minimize, then essentially this trend is over and we may actually break through this area of support and retrace closer down to 49.51 here. Going into immediate short term for 4 hours, what we can observe here is a retest of our 20 MA, which essentially, if we do close above it, is going to end this downtrend for Gala. What we can experience too and see in the last couple of hours as the price retraced down closer to the bottom of the Bollinger Band is that the price decided to consolidate sideways. So always retesting this resistance line at the 61%, 54.12, and then coming down here, retesting the support. However, it broke out down here as another level of support of the 50.16. So as we observe the RSI, the K and D line crossed over just the previous candle, considered to still be overbought, and price may come back down. But not only that, what we can see too is our Bollinger Bands are reacting. It is closing in, it's potentially doing a squeeze. So essentially it's giving us another hint that price is going to break out either in an uptrend or it's going to break in a downtrend. What the ultimate test is, again, is breaking through the 61% or 54.12. Notice the 20 MA is slowly closing in. So if we're able to close above this and break through it, essentially it's breaking this pattern and we're going to see a really nice reversal. If we take a look at our MACD indicator, this isn't helping us right now, is that the lines itself is quite small. Sorry, the spaces in between the lines is fairly nothing. We need an expansion on our MACD, especially if we want to break through this. If this actually is the most cap that we have of our MACD line and the bars are not gradually getting bigger and darker in color, essentially we're going to get rejected from this resistance line and we are going to retrace down closer to the 61% of our fib again, which is the 51.82 if we're not caught either at between the 38 to the 50 here. So in the next couple of hours is going to be very crucial for Gala. Essentially, it's going to be a retest in our resistance line and also a retest in our support line, because again, we are considered to be overbought and price is going to retrace down here. If we don't see anything in terms of our resistance line and we're just kind of dead stop here, again, we're going to come back down. It kind of depends on where we're going to land. If we take a look at some of the candlestick wicks, we've had more success in a support line of 61%. So kind of just depends on the momentum of our MACD indicator. So that is my update here for Gala, you guys, for Sunday. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.